These are really good. Look at that. Look at my lips. What's up, y'all? I'm actually trying to be a content creator tonight. I just uploaded a Reels to my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, please take the time to do so now. Please. Look, I'm blowing bubbles. But today was pretty cool. It did snow quite a bit here in New York. In fact, school is completely remote tomorrow. I always not complain, but I always say these kids don't know what it's like to have real school when it snows. Well, now they do, because with the introduction of virtual learning, there is no such thing as school days anymore for the most part. I am going to make the kids some hot chocolate, and I'm gonna make some cinnamon roll Christmas trees, and I'm gonna let you guys watch. So this is something that you can do with your family. You don't have to have a family. You could just be you. It could just be you and your significant other, your brother, your sister, your cousins, your roommates. But yeah, definitely take this time to do things that make you happy. Little things. It doesn't have to be big things. We've all learned that almost the hard way this year. So take the time to appreciate the little things. And a regular schmegular cinnamon rolls from Pillsbury. You can probably even use the store brand ones because they all have the same thing. These have the cream cheese icing. I'm gonna bang this against the side of the counter. The trash is over there. Okay. So now the thing that we need to do is to reshape the rolls to make them like Christmas trees. If y'all need to know, I already, oh wait, that's why. Wow, I'm gonna have to cut this to make it into a Christmas tree. That's why people do the grands. Okay, don't mess up like me. Maybe you should make sure you get the grands so you don't have to do all these extra steps. But what I'm basically doing is making it like a pinwheel. So I'm cutting it so that I can get the spiral, so I can make it into the shape of a Christmas tree. That's what happens when you try to eyeball something without looking at the directions. You end up having to do more steps. But that's the name of the game. Okay. So now I'm gonna deconstruct this cinnamon roll, make it into a Christmas tree. Boom, Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. And I'm just gonna keep on doing that. And now I have to cut each and every one of them because I didn't follow directions. Deconstruct. Do it all over again. This is what the cinnamon roll trees look like straight out of the oven. This is supposed to be a wreath, but that just looks like nothing. This one came out the best. That one's really nice. That one I can save. That actually looks like the poop emoji. But we're going to ice them and make them look like Christmas. We are just going to, I've already transferred the icing into a sandwich bag just so that I can put the icing on more than just smear a whole bunch of it. Made it into like a piping bag. and I don't have a scissor, so I'm just gonna make a cut right here on the tip. Just a little cut. And we are going to just go back and forth. I mean, you could do as much as you want. I just know it looks nicer when you do, you know, minimal icing, and then you can add like the sugar, the peppermint. See that? Boom. Oh, hell. At least I know I clean my counters. But I have some green decorative sugar. I've already wiped. I wipe these things down with Clorox wipes when I bring them in the house. That's why I'm not afraid to touch them while I am making food. They have already been disinfected. I got frosting on the counter though. I need to clean that up. Okay, let's see what type of spout this has. Ooh. Ew. Alright, let's just. Ooh. Look how pretty that is. Ta-da! Cinnamon bun Christmas trees. Looks like you did a lot, but you really didn't. Day made for the little ones. Well, today was fun. It's weird because I actually put a little lash on, put a little foundation, and yeah, I felt good. I got dressed, got my little lounge suit on. This is from Target. It was on clearance. I'll leave that in the description box too. It looks really cute with my little slippers. I felt cute today. Oh, but what I really am loving is these new Fenty Cream Gloss Bombs. The two that are absolutely worth getting are Honey Waffles. I don't know if you can see that. Honey Waffles and Fenty Glow. Sis, you need those. At least those two. You need those two. Let me try one on for y'all. And the reason I'm using this liner is because Honey Waffles is almost like an orangey color. So, let me show y'all. And you really don't need a lot. These are very pigmented. Look at that. It's so pretty. Y'all see that? Oh, this is so pretty. And this is a bomb gloss. It's not sticky. Not sticky. Very pretty nude. Looks good. Again, this is Honey Waffles. Do I have it up the right way? And then the Fenty Glow, which is like a nudie pink color. Both of these, they don't call these gloss bombs for nothing. These are really good. Look at that. Look at my lips. I'll see y'all tomorrow.